Hey, what's up YouTubers? Today we're going to be replacing this light in the laundry room. This is a fluorescent light, 4 bulb. It went out. So we're going to replace it with 3 of these canless recessed remounted kits. These are pretty easy to install. We're going to go ahead and show you how to do it. To remove these lights, all you have to do is turn them about a quarter of a turn until they release from the receptacle here, and you should be able to pull it straight down. Okay, now we're going to remove this center section, and this is where the ballast is going to be, and the screws that attach it to the ceiling. Alright, this is the cutout template for this light. This is the size that you need to cut your hole in order to surface mount this light. So since I've already got a hole here, try to mount this light in the existing hole. So I'm going to tape my template over it where it needs to be, mark it, and then I'll cut it out with a saw. Okay, we decided to put the lights positioned where they're at because of the location of the studs. You have to make sure that you have enough clearance when you mount these surface mounted lights that the stud is going to be far enough away so you don't end up trying to mount this where a stud's at. Okay, so here's how I'm going to wire this up. Let's pretend this is the power line coming from the switch. What we're going to do is we're going to run this through this little hole, and we're going to wire it up to the appropriate wires for the fixture. White to white, black to black, and then this is a ground. Because we've got more than one light that we're going to run, we also need to supply power to this light over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the next line, it's going to come into here, and it's also going to connect to all of these other wires. And then this line is going to run over to this fixture. And since we have 3 fixtures, we're just going to repeat the same process on to the next one. Okay, so here is our hot line coming off of the switch. This is what the previous fixture was attached to. So we're going to kind of set that aside. Here's the new wire. This wire is going to be running over to the second light fixture here. That one is going to power that fixture, and then that little curled wire, that one runs from there all the way over to here. And that's going to power this light. So take your wire strippers, and we're going to strip off these guys so we can put the twist nuts on them. That's it guys, we're finished. All 3 lights are in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.